Hey guys, it's always a pleasure to do video and chat with y'all. All right, if you're from Texas or maybe you're chaps. Are you chaps over in England or maybe you're down under? All right, I'm a big fan of Australia. And you know why? Because I accidentally watched this show over there called Love Island and all the girls wear G-strings at the pool. Thank you, Australia. And I love host Sophie. Is it Sophie Monk? She's a hottie. She's kind of my age too. I won't say my age, but my birthday is the day after tomorrow. But I'm born in the 60s when black and white TV wasn't even invented yet. And now, here it is, December of 2024. And man, we've got telly. We used to call it the boob tube. And I don't know why. And I'm not talking about, what I've been talking about previously from Australia, but with television, okay, with monitors, okay, you can not only watch TV, but you can also go to your monitor and kind of make your own sitcom, your own reality show, your own network. Go to YouTube and open up your own channel and put content on there. Like NBC, CBS, Fox, okay? There's news, there's sports, there's comedy, there's a lot of entertainment. And you can be the entertainment if you want. Now, you don't have to be in front of the camera. Maybe you want to be in back of the camera. You have all these ideas and you want to shoot pictures of things and just storytell a little bit, okay? But if you want to be in front of the camera, you can always get a webcam like I have. Logitech. No, it's a C920. Okay? They're like 50, 75 bucks. Get a ring light at Walmart or just go to Amazon. See that little circle in my eyeball there? Just light your face up a little bit. Or, guys, who doesn't have a cell phone? They look like Pop-Tarts. I used to like the cherry ones and the maple. But yeah, you got a cell phone. You guys have everything it takes, really, to make money online, especially in LiveGood and a couple other businesses that I participate in. Okay, business in a box. I don't know, is there a box around here? I don't see really a box, but how about business in a cell phone? All right, business in the palm of your hand. Because most of the stuff you're going to be doing is going to be involving a laptop, home computer. How about a pen? All right, that's in my hand. They're my favorite, the blue paper mates. They don't really make these anymore. You have to go to Amazon and buy them. But these are my favorite pens of all time. I just bought like 20 of them, so I'll be good for a couple more years. Pen, paper, go old school. Take notes about things. But I'll tell you, I'm not going to lie. If you don't mind or get over the nervousness, your heart beating of making a video, man, it really does give you an advantage. It does. You can open up that darn YouTube channel. You can monetize it where you get paid. All right? There's a lot of people doing crazy things, fake stunts. They show, I don't know, accidents or maybe how to build something like a pizza, how to build a sandwich, or art. There's a lot of how-to videos, which I really love. But I'm a big fan of how-to videos on YouTube. How to earn money, how to tie a tie, how to remove a spark plug on a 350 Chevy engine. There's a lot of cool stuff, and it's all video related. So if you can get over that hurdle or the shyness or the nervousness of you either talking to your cell phone or webcam like I'm doing now, or maybe just talking but not showing yourself, maybe pointing, walking in the park. A lot of people, they just sit in back of their steering wheel in their car, in their garage, or outside in the parking lot. Because no one's listening. And it's like, yeah, this is awesome. If I sound crazy or if I mess up, no one will laugh at me. No one will distract me. But the steering wheel videos, guys, if you need to, sit in your car and just go ahead and talk. Film the garbage can that might be parked in front of your car in your garage. Or go outside on the back patio. Just sit on the stairs. And maybe just film a tree or a garbage can in your backyard. But just get comfortable. Going, guys, you know what? There's a business I want you to look at. I want you to look at my tree and my garbage can. But I want you to look at a business. In my case, joincory.com. It's a domain I bought. Go to GoDaddy, buy yourself a custom domain. If it's open, it's about 10, 11 bucks. Okay? And you can always forward it to a capture page, and you guys can see what I'm talking about if you go to joincory.com. I've also bought my name, corydraper.com. Okay? And you can see my business cards. These are the templates that I made at Vistaprint. And after you make your own business card, just pay, I get like the $25 package. That'll last you a year. You get a big old box of business cards. That way, if you ever talk about any business you're doing, especially LiveGood, just go ahead and just say, guys, go to joincory.com. You know what? Check out my name, corydraper.com. They'll go, well, what's there? Tell me about it. It's like, look, I don't want to talk about the business. There's videos that'll tell you about the product and how much it is to be an affiliate. $40. You got 3 months to use all the LiveGood products as much as you want. Get your money back if you even empty the product all the way down to the empty factor. Get your money back in 90 days. All this information is completely taken care of if you just go to my bottom right business card, joincory.com. And if you want to have 30 days of emails that'll give you even better information about LiveGood, go ahead and put your name and email address in and just get an email once a day about LiveGood. And if you want to opt out, just go ahead and opt out. Okay. Now, my corydraper.com, if you go there, it's free. I use a company, I guess it's called Linktree. Let me put it on my screen. Maybe I can show you. Okay. This is free. Okay. linktr.ee. It looks like Linktree, but for some reason they put a period right after the R in the word tree. Go there, and it's just a free web page. And do you see all these little buttons and stuff? I just click these little circular buttons, and I put my online opportunities here. So if I want to direct somebody to a couple businesses that I do, I just say go to corydraper.com. There's LiveGood. And look, when you click LiveGood, it bounces right to my capture page. Look at that. There's the name. There's the email. Reserve your position. You can join join LiveGood this way through the email that you're going to get. Or just go ahead and watch this video right here. It tells you all about the opportunity and the business and the affiliate pay. And oh man, it's just 6 minutes is awesome. I've signed up almost 400 people this way. Okay. But you don't have to do what I do, but it seems to work. I just got 4 more people to sign up in the last 6 days. And I'm excited about that. That's kind of cool. All right. I'll take that any day. All right. And you should too. You just want to get involved in LiveGood. Okay. Let me see if I can find my business cards. There they are. Those cute little things. Look at that. They're just sitting there, just wanting you to visit those domains. All right. I chose red with white font because it sticks out. Wouldn't you agree that if this is on your, like a wall or sitting on a desk, you can see corydraper.com quite easily, can't you? Same with this one too. As you can tell, I do the identical template with Vistaprint. I just switch the domain name and then pay them $25, and that way I have plenty of business cards for the year. Okay, but I do get a handful of questions per week about this page that you're looking at in the middle. Okay, so Linktree, but remember, Linkttree, but put a period after the R in the word T. And if you just pause the video, you can see it right there. Okay. And at the bottom, that's what their logo. See the bottom of my screen? Linktree, and then it has kind of like a little tree. Okay. Just click it. And guys, you can have yourself a free web page like this where you can put multiple things. Maybe a link to your Facebook page, your email, all right, or your cell phone. I mean, whatever you want to put on here, it's up to you. I just put links to my business opportunities. I keep it real simple. Okay. So corydraper.com I bought for $11 at GoDaddy, and it forwards to my custom link that I made on that Linktree website. Thanks for your time, guys. I just wanted to show you what my business cards look like and how I go to GoDaddy and make domain names and point to Linktree. Very affordable way to promote your business, any business, let alone LiveGood. Okay. And that Linktree, you guys will figure it out. It's pretty easy. I think just about anybody in any experience level can figure out how to create just a Linktree page. Okay. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.